Meet Amy and Tom, VPs of Engineering and Manufacturing for a medical device company. Amy oversees the development of new products, while Tom is responsible for getting their products manufactured, assembled, and delivered. On time and on budget is how they're measured. No easy task these days. Amy is exhausted, constantly trying to find better ways to get new products to market faster. Tom is stressed trying to find ways to reduce costs. Despite many challenges, they must provide their company with a sustainable and scalable competitive edge. And they know that what got us here won't get us there. Change is required. Naturally, Amy and Tom have tried to look outside themselves for solutions. They've tapped their network, they've listened to the podcasts, and they've read every blog they could find. Too often, though, the feedback and suggestions they get are too generic, too broad, and simply not executable. What Amy and Tom need is a Sherpa to guide them. Someone who's climbed the mountain many times before, knows where to step and where not to. This Sherpa needs to have subject matter expertise in advanced engineering and manufacturing tools, systems, and processes. Most importantly, this Sherpa must understand how Amy and Tom's company operates, what they value, and what they're driving towards. DesignPoint is that Sherpa. Their proven process enabled Tom and Amy to identify high payoff improvements, sequence their priorities, and develop a roadmap that delivered their desired outcomes. And just like the best Sherpa, DesignPoint didn't just point them in the right direction, but walked alongside them and shared the load with them to help them propel their business forward. Schedule a free consultation with DesignPoint today or learn more at designpoint.com and see why, with DesignPoint, more is always possible.